Okay, ito ang ating chef. Ano ang ginagawa ni chef?
Yes, so we're cooking something special for tonight for Team Andales and I should have worn my cap, sorry. For Team Andales and Team San Miguel.
We have an import chef from Canberra.
Right?
Hindi basta-basta to, director to. At ito naman ang mga bisita. Mga friends namin. Bilang Cheche.
Comment down below.
Comment down below daw.
Ayun.
Ayan, double celebration kasi birthday ni Lem tsaka ni Will a few weeks ago. So, may sariling stage si Lem.
Yes.
Sa kanya yung kitchen eh.
Hindi naman. So we'll have some asparagus. Yep. So
Garlic mince. Bata.
Butter.
Uy, laki na ito.
Yep.
Laki ng chili na ito.
So the first step is
Sabi nila may secret ingredient kasi. Kaya pinagmamasao kung ano yung kakaiba.
we need to boil the crab first with using Sprite and lemonade.
What's the Sprite for?
To make the crab a bit sweeter. Sweeter.
Excited na kami sa kanyang crab. Title lang yung luto mo.
This is actually salted egg crab, inspired by the Singaporean dish, but with a twist. And then of course, we need some of this for our garnishing. That's it, and then we'll be back after a few minutes.
Pasensya na kayo kasi lahat kami talaga dito on the go. Ano kami, hindi kami mahiyain. Talaga nag-practice kami din ako.
Huwag ka masyadong lumapit kay Jasper. Makukumpara tayo.
Ito ka lang.
Huwag ka sa akin lumapit.
Tapos siya eh.
Matapang eh.
So, ito yung mga chef natin.
Hi!
Chef Jasper, anong gagawin mo?
Be cooking chicken inasal.
And Chef Will,
Grilled liempo.
may twist din ba yan?
Ito yung twist.
I'm doing salted egg crab with asparagus.
And kami ni Cheche ang judges. Judges sa mama.
Timer starts now. Ang dami na. Ano ba naman?
Ay, talino talaga ni Director Lemuel.
Paandar lang. Papaandarin lang natin.
Para may dreams.
This is sociological based on research. For men, if you're in a group, if you feel that you're not too good looking, do not go with a good looking one. Why? Now, the perspective of the women, laging angat yung good looking. So the more that even though you're not that good looking, the more that you'll actually look bad. If you always go with a good looking one.
Ganon.
But if you're not too good looking, join
The ugliest.
the ugliest, you'll be the best.
Maka-ugliest ka naman.
Makes sense, right? But it's the exact opposite if you're a woman. If you're not so good looking, you should go with the good looking ones. They can actually bring you. Remember in a club, sometimes there's only one or two good looking girls and then there's 6, the 4 are not good, but the tendency is they look better. Even though there are only 2 hot girls, the 4 are also good.
I know what to do. I'll join late.
That's the reason I'm asking you to always go with me so I go up. If I go
Try nga
social
natin.
experiment.
Okay.
Probably your viewers can actually attest to this one.
Okay, scene number
So
1.
if I go with Jasper,
Okay.
so what will happen is like, I look bad, right? But if I go with you,
He looked bad again. He looked bad
I
again.
look better.
You will agree. He looked bad again.
I look better.
Why did we get one?
Just to check if it's already cooked. But usually I have it like this. Yep, it's actually cooked. But probably few more minutes I want it. I want the texture to be thicker. Tapos, when I cook, kasi kaya gusto ko siya na-cook na talaga all throughout. When I cook it with the sauce, para siyang fina-fry mo siyang
Para sisiksik yung lasa.
and then mag-crispy siya doon.
Okay. Ito po, ma'am. Wine muna kayo. Kunin ko yung isa. Ito po, sir. Okay. Yan, nagba-barbecue po sila.
Barbecue. Namunti ka na maging adobo.
Pupuntang adobo dapat siya. Nirescue namin.
Pero ngayon, ayan na siya.
Talaga ng salad master. Cheers
Cheers
ulit!
ulit. Lagay na po. Ganyan daw dapat maglagay ng crab.
And just to fry the crab a bit.
Wow, yummy! May naiwan pa dito. May balak siya dito mamaya. Ipaparaffle to. Ito yung mga vegetables.
Ito. Konting fry mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Yes. At isa kayo.
Birthday celebrants.
Thank you, guys! Thank you so much!
Have a blast!
Bakit ba ikaw na iisip ko at kahit na paawat ang aking damdamin tunay na makakatasan ay hayaan mo ibigin kita. Maghihintay pa rin. We'll never know when we're gonna die. So I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna lose you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah! Pasabog! Pasabog!
Hello guys! We're having late lunch as of the moment. Ang aming kinakain. Mga pangat. So, ayan. Ang question natin. Yes, kaka-text lang. Mainit pa. Yes. Ano ang kwentong Australia nyo?
Oh my God!
Ano yung pinagpapasalamat nyo at nasa Australia kayo? Yung parang, ay, buti na lang.
Go, paring Lev.
English ba?
English, kahit ano.
There are a lot of things that, there are a lot of things that you should be thankful for. No? I think being in Australia gave me a lot of new experiences in life and more opportunities, whether in a personal level or career as well. So I think it's more of being exposed to a different culture that would actually make you a better person. Australia is a good country. I would always say that Australia has been so generous to me. in terms of my studies as well, because of course I moved here in Australia to begin with to actually pursue my studies, but having a good career, that being trusted by people I work with, and in a way contributing to the education industry in Australia. Diba?
So that's your Australian story. You started as student.
Yeah, so I started at UNSW here in Sydney, and then I moved to ANU in Canberra to pursue my PhD, and then I didn't actually expect that I'll be staying here. I could say for good now, because I've been here for like 10 years. Not that I don't miss the Philippines, I love going back to the Philippines. It just so happened that when opportunities open, when doors are sorry. I'm focusing on the food. Sorry. So,
Pag dumating na lang ang opportunity.
when the opportunities are given to you, who are you to actually decline? There are some challenges and risks along the way, but for you not to have that regret, when opportunities are being offered to you, grab it and try to work on it, and you'll never know where that would lead you. As I've said, aside from the culture, the new learning and opportunities, probably the people that you meet along the way.
Along the way.
Along the way, yeah. No, contributory factors din yun. Just imagine if you're lonely and then
Sad and blue.
and you don't meet good people. I don't think you'll survive and end up staying here as well. It's not everything is like icing on top of a cake. Now, sometimes people don't always see the tip of the iceberg, that everything is good. But
It's not always bed of roses.
that is correct. Maraming challenges, as I've said, along the way. But the song goes, right? It will make you stronger.
What doesn't make you makes you stronger.
Pero talaga naman kasing super ganda rin naman ng personality ni Lem at mabait siya.
Kaya nabibless ka na. BSB number.
BSB number.
Aside from meeting new people, even reconnecting and rekindling with old friends. So, see here, I'm in Sydney right now. Even though I have a lot of other friends here originally from this country, I'm so lucky to be with friends from high school.
Yes.
Siyempre, mga 13, 14 pa lang tayo now. 20s.
Mid-20s.
Yeah, now in our 20s. Yun lang siguro.
Ang hirap naman sundan, no?
Ayoko nang
What are you thankful for? Yan na, birthday mo. So,
Especially nandito tayo sa Australia.
ito ka sa Australia, di ba?
ito pa lang dito.
Ito ba ito? Pitigin nyo ang thankful.
Nakalyo.
Sobrang ka-thankful.
Pogi pa rin.
naman talaga. Something to be thankful for. Sabi nga ni paring Lem, there's a lot.
Huwag ka nang gaya-gaya.
Siguro let's relate it na lang dito sa current situation natin, dito sa pandemic. So one of the things that, napapa-English ito parang Lem kasi.
Pataan mo na yan, Daddy. Pataan mo na yan.
Sabi nga ng Australia, together.
Together, we can. Because together,
Divide.
we can.
Hindi. So one of the things that we're thankful for is during this pandemic, dahil nandito kami sa Australia, we were able to support our families in the Philippines. Kasi dito sa Australia, sobrang galing kung paano nila hinandle yung COVID situation. Na talagang kudos sa Australian government kasi they were able to
Beijing immigration. Gusto maging citizen
Panoorin nyo to.
ay nag-oath taking na yun. So, kasi because of what they did, hindi masyado naapektuhan yung mga industries namin. Tapos yung job namin na continue, nakip pa rin yung mga jobs na meron kami. Tapos almost back to normal na kami somehow, still with restriction, pero hindi na masyadong ramdam. And because of that, nakakatulong kami sa mga family namin sa Pilipinas amidst all of this chaos.
Hindi pa ganito pa na yun.
Diba? So, kung iniisip namin kung nasa Pilipinas din kami during this situation, lahat kami lahat kami mahihirapan kasi one way or another, maapektuhan ka talaga. Naging blessing kami, naging avenue kami to be a blessing to others.
Iba
So,
talaga yung plan ni Lord, no?
Diba?
Pinosation talaga.
Then of course, you were able to enjoy life, like the quality life that we have here.
Ayaw pa sumagot niyan, ha?
Ayaw
Si Mrs.
Yes, no,
naman.
Ako, ano ba? Simple lang. Simple lang tapos
Kasi
ano,
iba
1
yung
hour.
tanong sa'yo.
Naubos yung battery sa'yo, no?
Thankful
Hanggang matapos tayo, masata pa yan.
Ano, sa akin lang kasi is like, yung Australia kasi is like, parang yung...
Para, no?
No, it's a second home for us. Hindi naman namin masasabi na kumaga lahat nasa amin na ngayon. Pero, parang every day is just a blessing that you look forward to because you know that there's a greater future ahead of you. Australia is really beautiful and, not just Australia itself, the culture, the people,
yeah.
it's all so beautiful. So, nakakatuwa lang na yung sinasabi nga ni William, like how God orchestrated everything for us to be placed in this position. Not just to receive the blessing, but also to also give that blessing to other people. That everything that happens in your life has a purpose. It's not just, trying to make yourself rich, but also, trying to influence other people that through you, the blessing of God will flow.
Ang Miss
From
Universe.
Barangay 31.
I'm confident to be the heart.
And beauty with your
The beauty.
purpose.
Parang ganun siya,
Beauty with the...
Pero yun lang, saka yun katulad din sinabi ni Paring Lim, na talagang siya blessing. Kasi like, who would have thought na, the closest friends that I had before, for a season in our lives, like, sobrang ako, naging close ako kay Lem, naging close ako kay Papa Jazz, and mapunta lang tayo sa isang position na all of us are fruitful. Like si Papa Jazz, sinasabi ko kay Riz, nakikita ko lang siya sa Facebook. Pero, di ba yung parang, ang ganda lang na, more than material richness, yung relationships talaga yung nakakatuwa. Kasi yun yung forever that you will have. Na parang kahit ngayon, syempre, we're looking years ahead of us na magkakasama tayo together with our families.
It's a better life. Better lifestyle.
Sir Mackenzie laban tayo.
Mr. Mackenzie.
At saka, thank God, kasi naging malakas ang mga loob natin.
Correct.
Diba? Kasi kung nandyan yung opportunity sa harap mo, at wala kang lakas ng loob, syempre with the help of our Lord, hindi, wala, lalagpas ng lakas.
And I always acknowledge this, that living in Australia now, I always say that a big part of it, I'm always thankful for my family, especially my parents, for all the support that we've given all throughout those years that I was here. Emotionally, spiritually, and financially, especially my first few years in Australia. That some people would say, "Oh, you're in Australia, you should be supporting your family," but what was the other way around? The kind of support and the courage that they gave me, that you can do it, even though you're alone, that you can survive and make sure that whatever you've started, you'll finish it. Whatever makes you happy. I think that's the most important thing. And I always know that whatever happens to me, I have a family back home as well who will always support. And,
Yes.
I think that's
Embrace you.
embrace.
So, syempre, di ba, may hard work din to. And hindi pagdating natin dito ay happy-happy lahat.
Yun naman.
So, ano yung ma-advise nyo doon sa mga taong nahihirapan ngayon? In general.
So, ako, isa lang masasabi ko dyan. There's no easy way to break someone. Kasi, yung mga challenges in life, it's really part of the process. Kasi nga, you need those things to make you stronger.
To build you.
To build you for greater or better parang mga gagawin mo in life. First is your relationship with God. Because that's the most important thing. Na if all else fails, you have something that is still within you, for you, and will always be with you. Second is yung support groups mo. Kasi kailangan mo ng community that will support you, that will encourage you. Last is, you really need to know your purpose in life. Kasi when things will not go the way you plan it or the way you want it to be, you need to go back to your purpose, why you're doing it. If you have purpose and you experience difficulties, you can still push through because you have an end goal and you will do anything to reach that point that you want to achieve in life. So yun yung sa akin. 3 pala yun. Hindi
Dami, kanina one lang.
Ganyan, 1 lang, tapos may last.
di ba?
1 times 3.
Si parang ganda.
I think, ayos ba po? Oh, joke. Sometimes you have to accept your shortcomings and your weaknesses. It's difficult to do that, you know, because the moment that you accept your weaknesses and shortcomings, it will also help you determine the time that you really need help. You have to know, you have to accept your own weaknesses. When you know it, you know where and who to ask for in terms of help. The second one, when I was younger, I really wanted to pursue PhD. In academic term means Doctor of Philosophy. But those 3 letters, PhD, even those years that I haven't had my PhD yet, I always introduce myself, especially when I was still teaching in the university. I'll write my name, Lamiel Toledano, comma, PhD. You have a PhD at a very young age? No, not yet. But my PhD stands for, in a different sense, no? P means passion, H means hard work, D means dedication. And those
Kaya din nga yan!
Yun yung kaya yun, may acronym.
yes, and those, and whatever I do,
That's good.
I try to be passionate, you know, give whatever I can, the best that I can, okay? Hard work, it means continuous learning. And D is dedication, you know, the sense of loyalty as well to people who actually help you, to those people who support you. What you give to other people as well, what you try to provide, it will come back to you, whether directly or indirectly. So, I think that's it. If I will just repeat, have that passion, hard work, and dedication.
Wow!
Ako, ang take ko lang doon. Hindi, we have our plans in life, di ba? Pero we have to be sensitive din sa plan ni Lord for us.
Tama.
Siyempre, gusto rin ni Lord nagpa-plan tayo for our lives. Kasi kung wala tayong part, di ba? Parang wala rin tayong mararating. So,
At may pride ka.
oo, pero pag hindi naman yun yung plan ni Lord for us, i-redirect ka niya, i-reroute ka niya sa gusto niyang ano. So, we have to be sensitive sa messages niya. Oo. Kasi minsan, di ba, gusto ko tong ma-achieve. Siyempre, gagawin natin lahat. Pero minsan, it's not for us. Pero may mas better pa pala.
Yung-
Prepare.
Yes.
Yung gusto
Mas
ko
yung
yun.
mas
There's something better.
Parang
Na pag si Lord ang nag-all kasi,
Parang lagi yung sa akin mo nare-relate.
gusto ko yun.
Yun. And ayan, busog-busog na naman kami.
Dami na natin
Na over, ano ba to? Late
Food
lunch.
coma.
Tsaka siguro, ewan ko kung may nagbanggit ito. Okay din siguro na ma-accept natin na yung challenges is part ng buhay. Diba? Kasi minsan pag feeling mo, ikaw lang yung may problema, iba yung effect sa'yo. Oo, parang isipin mo, bakit yung iba happy life, yung iba parang smooth sailing, pero hindi, walang ganun.
Ay, meron pa pala akong isang isa sa akin.
Yun.
Gusto lumaban?
Do not compare yourself to others. Never compete with somebody else. You're not, you don't know really what's happening in their real life. Kasi pag kinumpare mo yourself mo sa others, dun ka magiging ungrateful, dun papasok
Yung
lahat
jealousy mo.
Jealousy mo, envy mo, mga ganun.
Gusto ko yun. We have our own racetracks.
Yes.
Diba sa race ng buhay, we have our own racetracks. Merong mga tao na maiksi lang yung racetracks nila. Meron naman sobrang haba to get to the finish line. So we just enjoy the journey.
Wow,
On top of that, the only time that we need to check other people is para malaman kung they have enough for us to help them. Yun lang naman yun. Yun yung time na pwedeng tignan yung ibang tao para ma-check kung may
Okay.
kailangan sila, okay pa sila. Din
Ang galing talaga ni Papa John! Pogi with the heart! May gumanon, no?
confident.
Pogi with the heart!
Tsaka,
Papa more.
isang tip, di ba? Huwag dumikit sa pogi.
So, kapag no?
Didikit ka sa pangit.
Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang.
That's good.
Paki-edit!
Edit po.
Kasi walang grenade sunod na pangit.
Wala. Huwag lang didikit sa mas.
Pogi.
Cheers! Cheers, mga
Parramatta territory. So hello guys, and
Hi,
welcome to
everyone.
Parramatta River. So how's your experience?
It was perfectly splendid.
Oh! Pero seriously guys, nag-enjoy kami sa visit niyo. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Team
San Miguel.
for this experience.
Yes.
Thank you for visiting. Nag-enjoy din kami. Kasi ang dami namin na pag-usapan. Actually, Cheche and Lem, my high school mates. So, this is a perfect time for us to catch up. Partners.
Hashtag Bloomfield.
Yes. Appreciate namin ang visit niyo sa amin. Lalo si
Thanks so
Lem,
much.
galing siyang Canberra.
Yes, the nation's capital.
Thank you so much for going all the way from Canberra to Sydney.
Yes.
For sure, of course.
Happy birthday ulit! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lem and Will!
Birthday naman. Seriously, thanks to, of course, Jazz and Liz for the Casa San Miguel. It's been a pleasure staying at your place.
Yeah.
It's better than any hotel Airbnb in Sydney.
5-star!
5-star.
Thank you!
It's always a pleasure for us, for you guys to visit us.
Enjoy kami talaga.
Joke lang.
Pwede, dali na yung
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Bye!
Thank you!
Thank you!
Bye-bye!
Sarap! Achievement yun, checklist natin. Vlog
Vlogging.
kasama. Check.